Ukraine's Main Intelligence Directorate, HUR, has released footage showing the destruction of a Russian assault group during one of the largest recent offensives in the Zaporizhzhia sector on April 16th. The video, shared by the Artan Active Operations Unit via Telegram on April 22nd, is captioned, "For the first time, we are showing epic footage of the destruction of a Russian group that the invaders threw into a breakthrough attempt in the Zaporizhzhia sector." According to the unit, Russian forces launched a large-scale assault just before the Easter holidays, targeting positions held by Ukraine's defense forces, specifically in Artan's area of responsibility. More than 300 troops, 40 armored combat vehicles, 3 tanks, and about 10 buggies advanced in 6 columns, reads the report. As soon as the columns moved, Artan's FPV drone operators and artillery units began their counterstrike. The first 3 Russian infantry fighting vehicles BMPs were reportedly destroyed about 8 kilometers from the contact line. According to the report, the Artan unit destroyed or disabled 15 pieces of equipment and eliminated around 100 Russian soldiers during the assault. Soldiers from the 128th Separate Mountain Assault, Transcarpathian Brigade, operating in the Zaporizhzhia sector, also shared details of the April 16th attack with Podrobitsi media outlet. According to the brigade, it was the largest assault they had seen in a long time. Fighters said Russian forces advanced in multiple columns simultaneously and from different directions. The deputy commander of the brigade's Unmanned Systems Battalion, known by the call sign Hans, said, "Several columns were moving at the same time. They were stopped in time thanks to the joint, coordinated actions of the defense forces of Ukraine operating in the Zaporizhzhia sector." He added that artillery units, drone operators, and other frontline forces all worked perfectly. In total, Ukrainian forces claim to have killed 140 Russian troops and destroyed or damaged 29 vehicles during the operation. As reported by Kyiv Post, on April 16th, Russian forces launched a large-scale assault in the Zaporizhzhia region near the settlements of Pyatikhatki, Stepov, Lobkov, Mala Tokmachka, and Mali Sherbaki, according to Ukraine's Southern Defense Forces. The attack involved around 320 troops, 40 armored vehicles, 3 tanks, and a dozen buggies from units of Russia's 58th Combined Arms Army. Ukrainian aerial reconnaissance spotted the assault, prompting artillery and drone strikes. The battle lasted over 2 hours, resulting in 140 Russian troops killed, 29 vehicles destroyed, and 3 tanks damaged. Ukraine held its positions. Aerial footage of the clash was published online, showing multiple explosions and strikes, though Kyiv Post couldn't independently verify the time and location. Junior Sergeant Stanislav Bunyatov called it one of the largest offensives and mocked the failed attempt. Ukraine's armed forces described the attacks as tearing up the Russian front line by eliminating its key logistics areas in the occupied region of Zaporizhzhia. The first clip shows a kamikaze drone soaring towards a truck traveling down a path. The flying bomb tracks the military vehicle for some time before finally making its move and smashing into a car just above the driver's seat. A huge number of sparks set off as the drone hit before a flash of orange filled the screen. Ukraine's use of kamikaze flying bombs have been widely praised in their conflict with Russia, so far, as well as dozens of other guerrilla war tactics. Their army has long been seen as an innovative and remarkable force to be reckoned with on the battlefield, and their military might has been widely praised for how they continue to develop drones, planes, and even modified superweapons to help them valiantly strike back at Putin's forces. The Ukrainian army has quickly become specialists in aerial warfare, with their arsenal of drones becoming particularly advanced. One of their finest weapons is their Dragon drone, which spews flesh-melting thermite onto Russian fighters. Past footage has also shown Ukrainian drones equipped with machine guns being used for the first time to ambush Russian troops. They have also unleashed a shotgun-wielding drone to hunt down and destroy Russians on the battlefield. This advancement in aerial warfare has even led to combat drones becoming the dominant killer on the battlefields of Ukraine, The Sun on Sunday revealed last week. Up to 80% of casualties on both sides of the conflict have been caused by what are known by the military as unmanned air systems. The figures from Western officials mean that 8 out of 10 soldiers being killed and wounded in the conflict are being targeted remotely by devices piloted by young soldiers, often miles behind the front line. It comes as Putin's forces continue to launch attacks on Ukraine. A Russian missile strike on Sunday killed 35 people and injured more than 100 more in the city of Sumy. The world condemned despot Putin's actions, including US President Donald Trump, who said Vlad was the #1 reason for the war breaking out in 2022. The Republican also hit out at Volodymyr Zelensky for allowing Russia's invasion.